Here at the Joint Base Lewis-McChord Logistics Readiness Center Maintenance Division. We do what is normally called pass-back maintenance.
Our main mission in this shop is to provide on-site annual gauging, repair, and inspection.
We're in shop supply right now, and our mission is to order the repair parts for any of the work orders that come into the organization.
A lot of the parts are long lead time, hard to get parts, and that's where we get hold of our DLA rep, and he does a great job on expediting those parts in to where we can get the equipment back out to the units to increase the unit readiness.
We get hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of parts a week from them that gets used on these guns, both in the replenishment of the bench stock parts and through the shop stock parts we get from supply that we put on the weapons.
Partnership between the LRC and our DLA rep is absolutely amazing. Great to work with. The service he provides, it's second to none. I can't ask for anything better.